This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying backups and booting correctly. First, make sure you have a current time machine backup or a clone. You will restore if repair fails. Next, restart and hold Command-R, or hold Option and choose Recovery to avoid using the damaged startup volume. Once booted, open Disk Utility and select View, Show All Devices. This exposes physical disks and containers, so you repair the correct target without accidentally erasing the wrong volume. Start with First Aid on the physical disk. You run First Aid methodically. Start on the physical disk, then on the app's container, and finally on each volume. This order fixes partition and container inconsistencies first, which prevents cascading errors. If First Aid reports it cannot repair, open Terminal and run Discutal Verify Disk and Discutal Repair Disk or Discutal Apps Repair Container as appropriate. These commands provide more detailed output. Make sure to inspect disk utility and system logs, and check Smart Status so you know if the drive needs replacement. You reformat as a last resort. Erase the physical disk with GUID partition map and the correct file system. Apps for SSD, macOS extended for older spinning drives. Once formatted, reinstall macOS from recovery or restore your time machine or clone backup to return to a working system. If problems recur, boot safe mode to isolate extensions, run Apple Diagnostics to test hardware, and consider swapping the drive or contacting service. If a repair step fails, stop and restore your backup to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.